Mastering pronoun usage in passive voice. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to dive deeper into the world of English grammar, focusing on a somewhat advanced topic. We are discussing subject and object pronouns and their usage, particularly in the context of passive voice. Understanding this concept will help you tremendously in enhancing your English proficiency. So, without further ado, let's get started. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of how these pronouns work in passive voice, let's do a quick review of what subject and object pronouns are. Subject pronouns are words like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. They usually do the action in a sentence. On the other hand, object pronouns such as me, you, him, her, it, us, and them receive the action. Here's a simple example. I, subject pronoun. Love apples, object. Now, what if we switch this around? It becomes apples, subject, are loved by me, object pronoun. This leads us to our main topic, using pronouns in the passive voice. The passive voice is a grammatical construction where the object of the action becomes the subject of the sentence. The action is performed on the subject, often introduced by the preposition by. For instance, the ball was hit by him. Passive voice is commonly used when the doer of the action is unknown or unimportant, or we want to emphasize the action and not the actor. When you're using passive voice, the subject of your sentence is often the object of the action. In such cases, you might want to use an object pronoun. For example, active. He, subject pronoun, broke the window, object. Passive. The window, subject, was broken by him, object pronoun. But remember, while forming passive sentences, the form be plus past participle is generally used. Moreover, in formal English, we can replace the object pronoun me, him, her, us, them with I, he, she, we, they, after prepositions. Like, the letter was written by me, instead of by him. The cake will be eaten by us, instead of by them. However, it's good to note that both versions are grammatically correct and the use largely depends on the formality of the situation. That's it for today. Hopefully, this discussion on the usage of subject and object pronouns in passive voice has been informative and useful for you. As always, practice makes perfect, so be sure to write and speak as much as you can to truly master these concepts. Thank you for tuning in, and happy learning.